Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. So, in our previous English class, we have completed the first lesson revision, is it? Am I right? So, we have started in our two classes, we have completed the first lesson revision, and in our first class, we have seen the one words of the first lesson, and the second class, we have seen the question answers. Is it? So, we have completed the first lesson revision. And today in this English class, we are going to see the second lesson, okay? Lesson 2. Okay, so we have completed lesson on crystal cave revision, and today we are going to see the lesson 2, okay? That is my early days with the chimpanzees. Okay, so today we are going to start the revision of this lesson, my early days with the chimpanzees, okay? So now, already you have written your books, is it? Sorry, already you have written in your notes, is it? The question answers, one words, everything you have written in your notes, am I right? Okay, now you can take your booklet and take that page, okay? So take the second lesson, open the second lesson, and today in this class we are going to see the synonyms, antonyms, verb form and also frame sentence, okay? Question answers we can see in the next class, okay? So we can revise the question answers in the next class, and we are going to revise synonyms, antonyms, verb form and frame sentence, okay? So those who haven't studied till now, today while this revision class itself you study, during this revision class itself you study that, okay? Those who have studied already, today you revise it, okay? Are you clear? Okay. So we are going to revise this 4 Roman letters. Okay. So have you taken your book now? Booklet now? Okay. So open that page, and the first Roman letter is synonyms. Is it? So we have 5 synonyms, and see, every synonyms are very easy for studying only. Okay. So listen here. I will read it on. Afterwards, when I am reading it, you repeat it after me. Okay. So first one, protect, God. Wonder, roam. Civet, a cat-like animal. Looming, emerge. Delicious, tasty. Okay. Then repeat after me. Okay. I will read first. You should repeat it. Okay. Protect, God. Protect, God. Wonder, roam. Wander, roam. Civet, a cat-like animal. Civet, a cat-like animal. Looming, emerge. Looming, emerge. Delicious, tasty. Delicious, tasty. Okay, once again I am reading, repeat it. Protect, God. Wonder, roam. Civet, a cat-like animal. Looming, emerge. Delicious, tasty. So are you clear with this? Are you clear with the synonyms? So shall we move to the antonyms? Okay. So second Roman letter is antonyms, okay? So in this also you have 5 antonyms, and this also is very easy for you. Every answers are in one word only, is it? Okay. So I will read it for you once. Antonyms: greet, farewell. Excited, depressed. Comfort, grief. Parallel, different. Fear, calmness. Okay. Now you repeat it after me. Greet, farewell. Greet, farewell. Excited, depressed. excited, depressed, comfort, grief, comfort, grief, parallel, different, parallel, different, fear, calmness, fear, calmness, okay, greet, farewell, excited, depressed, comfort, grief, parallel, different, fear, calmness. Okay, are you clear with this? Antonyms. First one is greet, answer farewell. Second one is excited, answer depressed. Third is comfort, answer grief. Fourth is parallel, answer different. Fifth one is fear, answer is calmness. Okay, so are you clear with these antonyms? So we have seen the synonyms and antonyms, is it? So is it easy for you? Okay. So now we can move to the verb form, okay? So are you clear with the synonyms and antonyms? Okay. So while seeing this class itself, what you want to do means you want to study it, okay? So don't think that just you can skip and see this video. Just see this video. While seeing this itself, you study everything properly, okay? So that you don't need to sit for another time and study. During this class itself, you can study this. Okay, now we can move to the verb form. Okay, so verb form also, you have 5 verb form. And while already in the last class itself, I have told you, while you are studying this and also while you are writing this, you want to be very careful because the spelling is very important in this. Okay, and only one letter will be different in most of the answers. Okay, so the total answer will not be different, only one letter in that word will be different for the answer. Okay, if you are writing wrong means you will not get mark. Okay, so that while writing this verb form, read the question clearly and think the answer clearly, and after that you write. Okay, while studying also, study it clearly with the spelling. Okay, so present tense, past tense and past participle. Okay, the present tense is a question and you want to write the answers under past tense and also past participle. Okay, so first one, begin, B-E-G-I-N. Okay, begin, then answer began, B-E-G-A-N. It is under past tense. Okay, and see the past participle, B-E-G-U-N. Okay, so see the spelling here, B-E-G-I-N, A-N and U-N. So see, only one letter is different, I-A-U. Have you understood this? First one, begin, began, begun. Okay. Second one, stand, stood, stood. So in this, the past tense and past participle are the same. Okay. Present tense is stand, S-T-A-N-D, and past tense is stood, S-T-O-O-D. Past participle is also stood only. Okay. S-T-O-O-D. Okay. Third one is hear, heard. Only we want to add D to that. Okay, in the past tense and past participle. Okay, see here, H-E-A-R here, H-E-A-R-D heard, H-E-A-R-D heard. Okay, and the fourth one is get, got, gotten. Okay, so see, G-E-T get, G-O-T got, G-O-T-T-E-N gotten. Okay, get, got, gotten. And the fifth one is make, made, made. Okay, in this also only one letter is changing. K will be changed into D. Okay, make, made, made. M-A-K-E, make. M-A-D-E, made. M-A-D-E, made. Okay, so repeat now after me. Present tense, past tense and past participle. Begin, begun, begun. begin, began, begun. Stand, stood, stood. Stand, stood, stood. Hear, heard, heard. Hear, heard, heard. Get, got, gotten. Get, got, gotten. Make, made, made. Make, made, made. Okay, once again I am reading for you. Listen clearly and repeat it. Begin, began, begun. Stand, stood, stood. Hear, heard, heard. Get, got, gotten. Make, made, made. Okay, so are you clear with this verb form? Present tense, past tense and past participle. Okay, so while writing also write neatly. Okay, so see, present tense begin, past tense began, past participle begun. Okay, so are you clear with this? Okay, while studying this, repeatedly I am saying, while studying this, study the spelling also properly. Okay, not only the verb form, everything. While studying every synonyms, antonyms, verb form, frame sentence, and also question answers also. For everything while studying, study the spelling also clearly. Okay, so if you are reading it loud and studying, it will be very easy for you. So study it properly. Okay. So are you clear with this verb form? So we have completed synonyms, antonyms and also verb form, is it? So shall we move to the frame sentence? Okay. So in this lesson, you have only one frame sentence, is it? So we have only one frame sentence, discovered. Okay, D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R-E-D, discovered. This is the past tense of discover. Okay, so discovered. Fleming discovered penicillin. Okay, so Fleming is a person, he discovered penicillin. Okay, it's a medicine. Okay, so repeat it, discovered. Fleming discovered penicillin. Fleming discovered penicillin. So while reading itself, study the spelling clearly. Okay, Fleming, he is a person. F-L-E-M-I-N-G. F-L-E-M-I-N-G. Okay, penicillin, P-E-N-I-C-I-L-I-N. P-E-N-I-C-I-L-I-N. Okay, sorry, clear with this frame sentence. Discovered, Fleming discovered penicillin. Okay, so while reading itself, study the spelling also. Okay, so we have completed the synonyms, antonyms, verb form and frame sentence. Is it? So today itself you want to study this. Okay, the 4 Roman letters. Today itself you study this, and what you want to do means you want to write it in your rough note and you itself want to correct it. Without seeing the booklet, write the question, and after that without seeing the booklet, write the answer, and if you are writing the answer with pencil, correct it with pen. If you are writing the answer with pen, then you correct it with pencil. Okay, so that you can see what are the mistakes you have written there. Okay, are you clear? Okay, so we have completed the 4 Roman letters from the second lesson. Is it? So in our next class, we can see the question answers. Okay, the fifth Roman letter, that is answer the following. Okay, so before that itself you want to study this, then only you will get time for studying that. Answer the following. Okay, so we have three answer the following, and in the next class we can see that, see the we can revise that, answer the following. Okay, so thank you students.